It's pretty clear at this point that AI is here to stay. It's not just a passing trend, it's changing how we work, create, and interact with technology. In-demand job titles and career paths have emerged. It's not just about having a PhD from a top university anymore, though that helps for some roles. Companies are looking for a specific blend of skills, practical experience, and a solid understanding of the fundamentals. First up, and this is a big one, the machine learning engineer. Think of this person as the architect and the builder. They're building the systems, the pipelines, the infrastructure that let AI run at scale. Recommendation engines, spam filters, voice recognition. An ML engineer makes sure these run smoothly, efficiently, and reliably for millions of users. Hiring managers want a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, electrical engineering, or a data science program. That formal education gives you the foundation, but the degree is just the starting point. Be very comfortable with Python. Deep experience with ML frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Know how to build, train, and deploy models with these tools. Data is huge. You must build solid data pipelines and know cloud platforms, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Nothing speaks louder than a portfolio. Repositories with documented projects, models in production. Next up, we have the data scientist. This role sometimes gets confused with the ML engineer, but they're actually quite different. If the ML engineer is the builder, the data scientist is the storyteller and the strategist. They dive deep into data to find hidden patterns, trends, insights. They translate complex findings into a clear story that drives business decisions, answering the why and the what if. Education-wise, similar to ML engineer but more stats-focused. Degrees in statistics, math, computer science, or data science. Emphasis on statistical and analytical skills. Be genuinely good at math and understand statistical concepts deeply. Strong programming skills are required, primarily in Python, or in R, data mastery. Be fluent in SQL. You'll live in databases, pulling, joining, cleaning data. Have experience across the life cycle. Feature engineering, building and validating ML models. Now we're getting into the really cutting-edge stuff. The AI research scientist. They're not just using existing models, they're inventing the next generation of them. Their job is to read the latest academic papers, understand them, and then push the boundaries of what's possible. They're working on fundamental problems, new algorithms, architectures, and training techniques, the breakthroughs we read about. You're almost always going to need a PhD, or at least a very strong, research-focused master's in computer science, machine learning, or a related field. So we've talked about the builders and the researchers, but who decides what to build? That's where the AI product manager comes in. This hybrid role sits at the intersection of technology, business, and user experience. The AI PM is the visionary, defining the what and the why for AI-powered products. They deeply understand customer needs and harness AI capabilities to solve real-world problems and create value. Qualifications blend: bachelor's in business, computer science, or a mix. But the key is proven PM experience. You need core PM skills, writing specs, creating roadmaps, working with design and engineering. For AI PMs, there's an extra layer. Understand what ML can and can't do, the impact of model latency on UX, and the trade-offs between precision and recall. Be the bridge, translate technical concepts into customer benefits and business outcomes. Success is shipping. Align everyone from the C-suite to data labeling on a single vision, and turn new research into features users will love. And finally, let's talk about one of the newest and most talked about roles. So, there you have it. 5 of the hottest jobs in AI and a look at what it really takes to land one. From the architects building the systems to the pioneers inventing new possibilities, the common thread is a combination of solid foundational knowledge, hands-on technical skill, and a portfolio that proves real-world impact. It's not an easy path, but for those willing to put in the work, the potential is limitless. The field moves fast. The most important skill is the ability to keep learning. Be intentional. Pick a path that genuinely interests you. Deep research, product strategy, or hands-on building, and develop those specific skills. Build projects, contribute to open source, read papers, and start building your portfolio today. Demand is growing. Focus on these qualifications and position yourself to be in it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next.